Hello everyone, what's up and welcome back again to my channel. And today we're gonna make a Thai pork salad, and we're gonna start by marinating the pork. We have to put first the fish sauce, just enough fish sauce. Add some ground black pepper, and some amount of palm sugar or light brown sugar will do, and mix it until all the ingredients the sugar is completely dissolved. Then add our big sliced pork, and by the way guys, you can use beef meat. Mine is, I love the one with fats. Actually, this Thai pork salad, they don't usually use the meat that has fat, but me, I love when there's a little bit of fat. It makes our salad taste really porky. Yeah, and so after that we have to leave our marinade pork for a couple of minutes, like maybe 30 minutes will do, and if you have enough time, 1 hour, so that the sauce will really absorb. Now let's go to our next ingredient, which is the roasted glutinous rice or the sticky rice. We have to mound it, we have to grind it finely using a mortar and pestle, and if you have another machine or whatever, you can use just to grind the glutinous rice, that will do. Just have to do it really fine. And next, it's grilling time for our pork. You don't need to grill the pork in a well done manner. You just have to leave it like you need the pork to be like juicy inside, because that's how the way the Thai pork salad must. But if you like the well done thing, then it's up to you guys. Then after it's done, we have to set it aside for a little bit, for just to cool down just a little bit, because we need the meat to warm up. Now let's prepare the other ingredients. Start by putting fish sauce again. Our main ingredients, one of the main ingredients is the fish sauce. Yeah, and then add palm sugar or the light brown sugar. Actually, I put a lot, but you can just add less or more, up to you guys. It depends on your taste anyway. Now remember the glutinous rice that we mound or grind earlier? We have to add all of them. That will add a real like Thai flavor. Then let's cut a piece or two lime. Do not use lemon because the taste is different. We need to use the lime, guys. Just squeeze it, and later on you need to include the peel, the skin, when we're gonna mix our pork. After this, guys, you're supposed to add a chili, but then my husband doesn't like very hot or very spicy stuff, so I had to add it at the end. And you know, if I really want very spicy salad, then I have to separate my bowl. Then most especially, guys, you have to taste it for you if it's fine or it needs more. I use the normal onion, the green onions, because I don't have this red shallots, so I just use it and it just tastes the same. Then let's chop our pork thinly. It's important so that it will incorporate with our salad later. And I added fresh mint from our garden. And I just cannot stop myself, guys, from tasting it. It's not a crime. Then I just add more herbs like spring onions and parsley, since I don't have really a fresh coriander. But later on I have to add like the seeds from coriander. I just have to grind them. And I add a little amount of chili. It's up to you how spicy you want it. Jeez, it's all done, guys. And it smells so good and it tastes so good. And I'm so happy that my husband really loved it. And thanks for watching, everyone. And I hope you like this Thai pork salad video of mine. And please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you. God bless.